You don't have to start your SDK project from a blank folder. ServiceNow's Build Agent can scaffold the whole thing for you, and then you hand it off to Claude Code. Build Agent is ServiceNow's in-platform AI coding agent. You describe what you want in natural language, and it generates a full app skeleton, including the data model, tables, relationships, roles, navigation, the works. It's like having someone set up the foundation so you can jump right into the interesting parts. Well, why use it as a starting point? Because going from zero to a running app structure takes time, even with the SDK. Build Agent gives you that structure in just minutes. You get tables with fields already defined, roles already scoped, and navigation already wired. Then you pull it down to your local machine and start iterating with Claude Code, where you have full control over every file. You can think of it like ordering a foundation instead of pouring one yourself. You still get to build the house however you want. You just skip the most tedious part. A fun quick note on free calls with using Build Agent. Customer instances now get 100 free Build Agent calls, up from 25. PDIs get 25 now, up from 10. That's a lot more runway for you to experiment, especially on those personal developer instances, PDIs, where you're just learning the workflow and trying things out. Okay, so here's the actual flow. You open Build Agent in your instance. It's inside ServiceNow Studio now, actually. Describe your app in play language and let it run. Once it's done, review what it's generated, check the tables, the roles, the fields, then pull that project into the SDK on your local machine and open it in Claude Code. You do that by hooking up source control from within Build Agent, not Studio, and then bringing that repository to your local machine. From there, you iterate, add the business rules, refine the data model, build out the UI, etc. One tip, the more descriptive your prompt, the better the scaffold. Build me a task tracker gets you something pretty generic, but saying what kind of task you're tracking, who's going to use it, what should be tracked for each, how roles should be defined, what interface do you want, etc. Gets you something you can actually work with. We go deeper on this in the GDD/PRD episode. But for now, okay, thanks, and talk to you in the next one.